Hello and hope you are having a great day. You might have heard of coconut oil, aloe vera, and even eggs are beneficial for your hair. But what we are about to discuss in today's video is a health secret that is going to shock you. Date fruits are really beneficial for your hair. Dates fruit, or also known as Phoenix dactylifera, is a sweet fruit that is rich in nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. The nutrients in date fruits can help improve the health of your hair, making it stronger, smoother, and more manageable. There are a number of reasons for this. One of the main benefits of dates palm fruit for hair is that it contains antioxidants that help protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can damage your hair cells, leading to hair breakage, split ends, and hair loss. Consuming date fruits can prevent excessive damage to your hair. Another reason is that date fruit is also rich in iron. Iron is an essential mineral for hair growth. Iron helps to carry oxygen to your hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. Iron promotes blood circulation in the scalp, which is essential for hair growth. In addition, dates palm fruit contains vitamins A and B, which are essential for maintaining healthy hair. Vitamin A helps to produce sebum, a natural oil that moisturizes your scalp and prevents dryness and dandruff. Vitamin B, on the other hand, helps to strengthen your hair, prevent breakage, and improve its elasticity. The way to use date fruit for your hair is pretty easy. You can either consume it regularly as a part of your diet, or you can also apply it to your hair as a hair mask. If you are planning to consume date fruit as a part of your diet, we recommend consuming 2 fruits per meal. Consume it after you have consumed your meal. To make a hair mask, simply mash up some date fruit and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Do this 3 times a week for optimum results. Date fruit is rich in nutrients and can help you protect your hair from free radicals, promotes hair growth, and provides that extra hair shine and luster. It is also easy to consume and should be easily available in your local stores. But if you wish to have one of the best dates, do check out the shopping link in our description. We have listed one of our favorite online date suppliers. Using our link, you would be getting a special discount and will get the dates directly sent to your house. We have more health secrets coming up tomorrow. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.